Number 3 is ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer is an optimistic symphony of innovation crafted to amplify your creative prowess with a flair that makes your artistic heart dance. Brace yourself for a voyage into boundless possibilities, where precision reigns supreme. Imagine a print volume that knows no bounds. With dimensions stretching to a remarkable 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, this printer's canvas defies limits, allowing colossal creations to spring to life and embracing the efficiency of simultaneous multi-model printing. Gaze upon the zenith of visual splendor with the 7K high resolution. The celestial 6480 by 3600 pixels of the large Photon M3 Max's UV LCD screen craft a world where every edge, corner, and nuance of your model is bathed in razor-sharp details. Behold the magnificent 13.6-inch screen, a portal to unshackled creativity. Speed meets magic with fast printing and powerful light source. At a dazzling pace of 60 mm per hour, your ideas transform into reality, with a mere 2 hours to summon a 12 cm marvel. Matrix LED lamp beads exude luminous energy, glowing your visions radiantly. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.